guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 5. So it's been a minute that I haven't gone to the gym, so that is what I'll be doing today. I'll be using the treadmill to do a 30 minutes or 45 minutes to run. I'm not gonna press myself too much because it's been a while since I haven't done any form of exercise. So continue watching, guys, to see how day number 5 Vlogmas will turn out. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. So guys, come with me and let's go to the gym. So I'm going to make some natural ginger tea before going to the gym. So let's go to the gym. It's been a minute since I haven't gone to the gym, and it's right downstairs. But today I decide to get myself in shape for Christmas, get myself in the Christmas feelings, and so that's what I'm doing today. And that's it for me today. Some other time, maybe tomorrow, I will go back in there, but I didn't want to push myself too much today, so I just did 30 minutes on the treadmill, and that's it. So tomorrow I will go back and do another 30 minutes, but that's gonna be it for my gym life today. Okay, so after the gym is food, because I only had some tea before going to the gym. So now I'm gonna eat some food. Some dumplings, some yam. So I have some steamed cabbage here. This is my food. So this is going to be my meal for the day. Maybe in the evening I'll just eat some fruits, but this is it for my meal for today. so I'm gonna water my palm tree. Whew. That's my palm tree. Okay, so now it's tidying up time. I'm gonna pack away these dishes and then I'm gonna wash some dishes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean the kitchen and do the dishes now. My Lysol to fresh up my stove top and my countertops. And then I'm gonna use my air sanitizer. Yes, so girl is clean and tidy. right, guys, so we've reached the end of Vlogmas Day 5. Vlogmas is really a challenge, but I challenge myself to do vlogs every day up until Christmas Day. So that is what I am doing. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and show a girl some love. It's just to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and say something. Okay, that is much appreciated. So I'll see you all on my next video. So stay tuned for tomorrow, Vlogmas Day 6.